In this video, we listed the 5 best garage tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Milton Pneumatic Tool 555E Digital Tire Inflator Gauge. The Milton Pneumatic Tool 555E Digital Tire Inflator Gauge with hose is a versatile and precision-focused tool designed for convenient and accurate tire inflation across multiple vehicle types. Its functionality aligns with the user's interest in automotive maintenance and accessory tools, as seen in previous interests like the Lachine P4 Smart Air Pump for motorcycles, as well as various car interior accessories and repair tools. This digital tire inflator gauge measures air pressure in for different units, psi, bar, kpar, and kilogram, cm squared, and supports a wide range from 5 to 220 psi, making it suitable for use on a diverse array of vehicles, from cars to larger trucks. The tool includes a backlit display for easy readability in low-light settings and an EZ-Lock air chuck, which allows for secure and hands-free operation while inflating tires. Its precise readings aid in maintaining optimal tire pressure, enhancing vehicle safety and efficiency. Powered by batteries, the gauge is ready for portable use, providing a practical, high-performance solution for vehicle maintenance tasks. Product 2. Product name: Rolling Creeper Garage Shop Seat for Men. Rolling Creeper Garage Shop Seat for Men is designed for comfort and efficiency in garage and workshop environments. This padded mechanics stool includes a durable cushion for extended comfort during long tasks, and a built-in tool tray storage that keeps essential tools within arm's reach. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, this workshop seat offers easy mobility on hard surfaces, making it ideal for auto repairs, detailing, and other shop tasks. The seat has a robust 330 pounds capacity and features heavy-duty construction to withstand regular use. Its black design gives it a sleek and professional appearance, suited for anyone needing ergonomic support while working on various projects. Given its features, this rolling seat could be a great addition for those interested in garage and workshop efficiency, similar to other workshop tools and accessories that enhance productivity and convenience, like portable work tables, chainsaws, and soldering irons. Product 3. Product name: Decopro 228-piece Socket Wrench Auto Repair Tool. The Decopro 228-piece Socket Wrench Auto Repair Tool Combination Package is a comprehensive toolkit tailored for automotive repairs and various DIY projects. This all-in-one set includes a range of essential hand tools like socket wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and more, catering to both beginner and experienced users. The tools are crafted from high-quality steel with a polished chrome finish, enhancing durability and corrosion resistance for long-term use. Packaged in a sturdy plastic toolbox, the set is organized for easy access and portability, making it ideal for home garages, workshops, or on-the-go repairs. With 228 pieces, this kit provides a wide variety of sizes and types to tackle diverse tasks, from routine car maintenance to complex repairs. It's a practical addition for anyone interested in automotive work, offering convenience and efficiency with everything neatly arranged in a durable storage case. Product 4. Product name: Yaesu Vises 750E Multijaw Rotating Vise System. The Yaesu Vises 750E Multijaw Rotating Vise System is a versatile and durable tool designed to meet a variety of clamping needs, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradespeople. Known for its multi-purpose function, this vise combines a traditional bench vise with a pipe vise, allowing users to secure both flat and cylindrical materials easily. Its 2-in-1 design provides a secure grip, enabling efficient and precise work on different surfaces. Constructed from ductile iron and hardened steel, the Yaesu 750E offers impressive durability and strength, built to withstand heavy-duty applications. The vise's rotating and swivel base adds flexibility, permitting adjustments and ensuring stability during various tasks. This feature is particularly useful in woodworking, metalworking, and plumbing tasks where repositioning is frequently needed. Product 5. Product name Workpro 48-inch Adjustable Workbench. The Workpro 48-inch Adjustable Workbench is a versatile, heavy-duty workstation designed for a variety of environments, including workshops, garages, offices, and homes. Featuring a solid rubber wood top, this workbench supports up to 2,000 pounds, making it ideal for handling demanding tasks and heavy tools. The adjustable height feature allows users to customize their work surface for comfort and optimal ergonomics, accommodating seated or standing positions to reduce strain during long projects. In addition to its robust build, the Workpro Workbench includes integrated power outlets, offering a convenient solution for powering tools, chargers, or other electronic devices without needing additional extension cords. This practical design detail makes it particularly suitable for garage setups or professional workspaces where quick access to power is essential. Product 6. Product name ckenbond Fastcoat Spray Foam Insulation Kit. The ckenbond Fastcoat Spray Foam Insulation Kit is a high-performance, closed-cell spray foam insulation solution designed for thermal and acoustic insulation. This kit comes with 12 27.1 ounces cans, each containing expanding polyurethane foam that, once applied, fills gaps to create a strong, insulating barrier. This insulation type is ideal for both heat retention and soundproofing in various environments, such as homes, workshops, or outdoor sheds. Key features of the ckenbond Fastcoat kit include closed-cell polyurethane foam. Known for its high-density composition, closed-cell foam provides an excellent R-value, resistance to heat flow, making it effective in reducing energy costs. Expanding foam. The foam expands on application, allowing it to fill small gaps, seams, and irregular spaces, forming an airtight barrier. Product 7. Product name 3,000 pounds Garage Shelving. The 3,000 pounds Garage Shelving is a heavy-duty storage solution designed to hold up to 3,000 pounds, making it an ideal choice for garages, workshops, or any setting that requires robust, reliable shelving. This unit measures 48 inches wide and 72 inches high, providing ample space for organizing tools, equipment, and other large or heavy items. It includes 5 adjustable levels, allowing users to customize shelf spacing according to their height and size of stored items, optimizing storage efficiency. Constructed from durable metal, this shelving unit ensures long-term stability and can withstand demanding conditions typical of a garage environment. Its adjustable shelves make it versatile for various storage needs, from tools and supplies to household items. This unit is especially beneficial for users looking to maintain a well-organized garage, ensuring easy access to stored items while maximizing floor space.